Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts. I hope you're well. And I thought we'd start off this video by looking at Bitcoin dominance. It has been the subject of quite a lot of conjecture, and many analysts are predicting, the old popular ones that you're aware of, I'm sure. They are predicting that altcoins are going to dump by 40-50% and that there's all going to be an altcoin reckoning of some sort. And that, let's just leave that to one side, because I'm going to tell you something radically different here. I'm going to tell you that according to our chart analysis, and you do have to make a distinction between the type of analysis that we do and the fundamental stroke technical stroke online metric type analysis that these other analysts bamboozle you with, because it is very confusing. If you watch any of those videos, you'll know that something is thrown at you, and then something different is thrown at you, and then something else is thrown at you, and by the end of the video you've got no idea, and you just think to yourself, well, that guy seems to know what he's talking about. None of it made any sense to me, really, to be honest, because one thing was conflicting with something else, and there was lots of ifs, buts and maybes in there. So I'll just trust this person who sounds clever, but we're going to tell you something very clear and very well, as you know, this is the channel of clarity. So we are going to tell you that the charts on their own, without any of the unnecessary fluff, are telling us that according to our preferred counts, Bitcoin dominance is unlikely to move beyond 52%, which it has already hit. Okay, so that's our preferred count. Now, there is a possibility that it could go slightly further, wicking up to 56%. Okay, but that's our preferred count. That between that 52 to 56% level, we are expecting Bitcoin dominance to turn down significantly down. Okay, so that's our preferred, and that's our analysis. Okay, now you will be the judge of whether or not our analysis is more or less accurate than all these other analysts that you see. Okay, and I am happy for you to do that. Okay, now that's not to say we can't be wrong. We can be wrong, but most of the time, as you know, we are quite correct. Okay, so you be the judge, and now let's move over to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin chart itself, because that's telling us something interesting as well. Okay, so this is the chart that we've been working with you on, in the last few videos. And as you know, we had this level at 28,483 for where the breakout traders had accumulated. And above that level, we were expecting for retail traders to accumulate. Okay, that's been tagged perfectly. Okay, perfect. So just going to, are we brave enough to zoom in and see that? Let's try that, because I've not done this yet. Oh my word. Look at that. I mean, just let's zoom in further just for the joy of it. Oh my word. That is amazing. Okay, so it could be a pure coincidence, but 28,483 is a perfect tag. Now let's just want to see below that 28,4. 1.77 it says was the actual low. So yeah, not quite to the absolute dollar, but well, on the chart it looks pretty much perfect. Okay, right. So that's pretty good. Now, in terms of the actual level that's important to us, that is slightly above that level. So what is it? Let's just have a look. 20, yeah. So it's 28,800. So according to our algorithm, 28,800 is the level that's most likely to hold as support, and we are expecting for Bitcoin to move higher from this level. So to cut a long story short, yes, we are expecting for Bitcoin to move higher from this level here. Okay, that's clear. We're telling you something very, very clear that the other channels are not going to tell you. Okay, we are expecting for Bitcoin to move higher from here because the whales, the breakout traders, and the retail stroke breakout traders have all taken their positions and they've all been filled. Okay, you saw breakout traders fully filled here. You saw retail traders and secondary breakout traders fully filled here as well. Okay, they've all got their tummies full. They are ready for the race ahead. Okay, and we are also telling you that Bitcoin dominance is going to most likely move down from current levels. Okay, currently Bitcoin dominance is at 50%. It has visited 52%. We are expecting for that level to move down below 50%. Okay, down below 50%, strongly down lower. Okay, that means that we are expecting for Bitcoin to move strongly higher and for the rest of the crypto market to move higher still. Okay, so these are most likely, in our opinion, going to be very strong moves, especially in the rest of the crypto market, but also in Bitcoin. Okay, so relative to Bitcoin, we expect the other altcoins to take market share, but this is going to be an all-round bullish rally in the whole of the crypto market, in our opinion.